Okay, so today we learned about the triangle inequality, and now we know that any two sides of a triangle have to add up to be bigger than the third side. So this is going to be problem number 14 from your homework assignment 11.3. And it gives us two sides for the triangle, 5 and 8. And they want to know what range of values could we have for our third side. So we want to use an inequality. And we're going to call the third side x since we don't know what it is. And we want to write an inequality. So what's the smallest and biggest? Like what can it be not be smaller than and not be bigger than? So over here we're going to have 8 minus 5. So we're going to subtract the two sides. And then over here we're going to have 8 plus 5. So it cannot be bigger than, or it cannot be smaller than 8 minus 5. And it cannot be greater than 8 plus 5. So what we end up with is 3 and 13. So x has to be between 3 and 13, which makes sense because if x was 3, 3 plus 5 is 8. And so then you wouldn't be able to make a triangle because it would just end up being like a straight line. And if it was 13, then the two smaller sides, 5 and 8, is 13, and it also wouldn't be able to make a triangle, but it can be less than 13, and it can be greater than 3. So for our answer, over in the answer box, or on the answer line, we get 3 is less than x, which is less than 13.